I'm part of a WhatsApp group. I'm there mostly for the sociological experiments where I get to be the observer of fascinating conversations. Happens to be the medium is recipes, okay? I have excerpts from this group. I had to go back in my archives. It's from 2019. I have copies here. I couldn't make this up if I tried. So here's the beginning of the thread, yes? At 4:58 Eastern Standard Time, somebody writes, I still never got a clear-cut answer. Why is Wednesday Milchig night? What does Milchig mean? Dairy. So somebody responds, Chorban Beis HaMikdash. It was destroyed on Wednesday. Got this info from my grandma, who says that they never ate fleischiks, they never eat meat on Wednesday. So somebody gives them a clapping emoji. And the next person writes, I thought Thursday was supposed to be Milchiks. I thought Thursday you were supposed to eat dairy so that you're hungry for Shabbat. So the other person responds to the Chorban. Interesting. Good to know. We'll definitely try to make dairy on Wednesdays. This is the making of a minhag. Another person writes, interesting. So why is Wednesday fleishig meat lunch days in school? So the other person writes, my Bobby, my grandmother, was 7 and survived the Holocaust together with both parents. So she knows a lot. As opposed to my maternal grandmother, who was 17 during the war and forgot a lot of little details. Another person adds, my kids have Tuesdays, meaning Tuesday they have dairy at school. So the first person adds, I think it's more a Hasidish or Hungarian thingy. Another person writes, thanks, never knew reason. Very interesting. Now I was watching this unfold in live time, and at first I thought it was a joke. And then I thought maybe I should contribute, like I can help everyone. Like the Rambam says, never eat meat since the Chorban. Wednesday happens to be like Ash Wednesday, which the Catholics, like there's a lot going on here, but Jewish it's not. But then I decided I'm just going to be quiet and let my sociology class play itself out. So this person writes, I just asked my friend that makes milchik, she makes dairy Monday and Thursday. She must be machmir. She said, here's a different reason. She said because full tachanun, it's the day that we say full tachanunim, which is the prayers we say for the Bet HaMikdash, is said those days. And it's not sure exactly when the Beis HaMikdash burned down. Maybe Wednesday night through Thursday night. That's why some people serve milchik Wednesday or Thursday. You understand? So now the minhag already has halachot, because maybe some of us are machmir Wednesday, maybe some of us Thursday. So the other person writes, interesting stuff I never knew. And then one Kofel, she writes, if we make dairy dinners all year round, why the 9 days too? I don't know, this lady's on the track to actually being Jewish. And it continues, this thread continues. And I'm looking at this and saying, this is incredible. In a WhatsApp group, we are now recreating Jewish law. And whereas this is comical, okay, so it doesn't matter. So now everybody's gonna be eating more pizza and cheese calzones and ice cream and probably needing cardiologists. That doesn't really matter. But is it true that it doesn't matter? If I make up things, that's okay. I'm allowed to make up whatever I want. But when I start making up things and then telling everybody that's the law, that's very dangerous.